guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Kim with Creative Crafticality, and today I would like to show you my two bee journals that I just completed. And they are a hard cover made from a book cover, and they have two signatures each. There is a tassel on each one of them, and there's the second one there. I'm going to show you this first one, and this one will be listed as bee journal number 1 in my Etsy shop. On the tassel there is a vintage bee patch on each one of them, along with ribbons and trims and things like that. The cover is made with some bee fabric, 2 different styles, and then there's pom-pom trim on the front. And then I also made a tie that goes around the whole book that comes off, and there's a charm with a little bee, like a little bulb safety pin with a charm on the bottom. And then as you open it up, here is the front cover. There is a pocket on the side with a little tag that I made. And then on the other side, there's a little fabric pocket and another bee tag. I did a little fabric ruffle on the side. There I altered a note card or index card with a bee printable, and I did some stitching on it, added some trim at the top. There's lots of different kinds of papers throughout the book. This is just a little tag that I made and I stamped with a bumblebee. There are vintage bee book pages throughout. I did lots of stamping and stitching. This page was really pretty bee patterned fabric, and it's a side pocket, and then I added that little bee frame in there. I did some fun like watercolor dyeing of paper there, and then I made a little pocket at the bottom of that page with a little tag. There's a bee coloring page there that's really cute. I stitched lots of different why can't I talk? I stitched different trims and laces along the sides. That one's a really pretty embroidered lace, and then I added some of the fabric there as a little flip up. There's another tag. I had this really pretty bee paper, and I believe this was from Joann's, and I can't remember the name of the paper pad, but that's what I used throughout this book. It's a double-sided paper. I added some digital bead tags and things throughout. There are 3 altered paper clips at the top. On this page I used some paper and made some little tag pockets and added some of the tags from the paper collection. That was the book page, and then I also made a little pocket with a coffee stained doily on that lunch sack, and then this was a popcorn little bag that I took apart and sewed to the page. Added some tickets inside that pocket, and then there's the other side of that coloring page. This was some really pretty honeycomb paper on one side, and then the other side was that other bee print, and I just altered that index card there with a doily and some trim. I had some bumblebee washi tape that I added throughout. There I made just a little scrap, little tuck spot. There's a belly band on that page, and then I had a digital printed tag that was in that pocket. And this is a paint chip card, and I did some altering on that. And then here's another page with a book page from the bee book. I stamped on that index card and just clipped it up there with the altered paper clip. And then there's another lunch sack that has some flowers and bees on it as well. And there's another book page. I have a really cute bumblebee napkin that I included. Another really cute bee page from that collection. Here I made a little pocket for a library card. So that just sticks in there, and I did some altering and stitching on that. And then over here, this was a book page envelope that I had done a video for previously. I will try and put a link for that down below so you can see how I made that. Envelope is lined with some of the bumblebee paper. And then I just stitched some lace on the front. I made the little, the two little buttons, I guess you could say, that I'm putting the wraparound of the twine there. I don't know what you would call those. And then I just had that clipped up to the top there. And this next page is a cookbook page, and it just has recipes for things with honey, so I thought that would be appropriate with the bee theme. And then I added pom-pom trim on the side of that page. And here's another page that I did the dyeing with the watercolor. I have a honeycomb embossing folder, so I did emboss a couple pieces in there of yellow cardstock. Okay, here I altered a CD sleeve and just added a piece of the bumblebee paper inside there. But I had an extra piece of my fabric ruffle there, so I added that with some paper and one of the little cut up parts of the bumblebee, and then added a ruffle of ribbon on the side. And there's more of that bumblebee washi tape that's so cute. And then this page is just a little pocket, and there's the back cover on the inside. There's a pocket and then another bee tag there. Excuse me. And then on the back is just the two pieces of fabric and two trims, and it all ties up. And so that is the first book. And then I'm just going to go ahead and give you some music, and you can sit and watch the second book. It's pretty much the same, just the book pages are different. So, you know, I think some of the pages are in a little bit different order, because that just is how it ended up being. So I'll just let you listen and watch, and hopefully if you are interested in these books, they're in my Etsy shop. If not, I hope that they inspired you to make a junk journal or just a bee journal or whatever it is. Hopefully it'll give you some page ideas. And yeah, thank you for watching, and I will see you again next time. Just give this video a thumbs up, leave me a comment, and subscribe. Go over to my Instagram. It's at Crafticality, because I give sneak peeks of things that I am working on. And right now I'm trying to finish up some strawberry shortcake journals, and those are going to be super cute. I'm pretty much done with them. I just need to add a few more details and then film, take pictures, and get them listed. And so I know that I've had requests for more strawberry shortcake, and I love strawberry shortcake, so I decided to make a couple more. And I found some really fun fabrics, actually a vintage strawberry shortcake pillowcase when I was thrifting, and it's the old strawberry shortcake. I think it's really cute, so I used some of that on there. So anyway, hopefully you enjoyed this video. Give me a thumbs up, and I will see you again next time. keep watching if you want to keep looking at this journal, and yeah, I'll see you again.